to Houston. Ooh, I look crazy because I just woke up. My flight was at 6 this morning and it's like 3 right now in Houston, but like it would be 4 at home. And I've like been up since 4. My head is still hurting. But I'm about to get ready. We have like this little like meet and greet cookout welcome thing with all the teaching fellows. I'm super excited to meet everyone. I'm not in my like homestay house yet, but I'll be there tomorrow. So yeah. Y'all, I don't know if I can spend a whole summer here. It's so hot. Like, I just stepped outside and I definitely have sweat stains in this dress. Like, SOS. So I just got back from little welcome dinner. I didn't really like record anything, but yeah, it was super cool. Fun fact, Jean's cousin is a teaching fellow here, so that's cool. But I'm about to do a little bit of work. I have a conference call. I'm going to sleep because I am tired and I have to be up at like 6 a.m. So yes.
Hey, I'm Deshay. I'm from Florida. I go to FAMU. I'm a 4th year social work student.
Oh yes.
I'm Tina. I go to Brandeis from Massachusetts. I'm a freshman.
Hi Tina.
Hi.
I'm Caitlin. I go to Ohio State. I'm a senior.
Ooh, I'm Katie. I go to Wellesley, and I'm a sophomore studying linguistics and media arts and sciences. So.
Oh yes. We just finished our first day of
Breakthrough
OB.
day 1.
Love it.
We're trying to get home now.
Safely.
Not that we know anything about Texas roads, but I figured it out.
I know that people don't let you over. I know that for one. I know these roads. This is a nice smooth road, but the street roads, they'll mess your car up.
They're like really bumpy.
Bumpy, like they don't believe in. Yeah, no. So I know I'm gonna have to get a service done as soon as I get home. Sure.
After all them.
Yes. Okay, I know I look crazy, but I just have to give a shout out to God. He's really looking out for your girl. I just got to my homestay, and my homestay family has like this beautiful apartment garage for me, and it's just like, yo, like I have my own kitchen, little living room. Like, I'm literally speechless. Like, I'm moving to Houston after I graduate undergrad. Shout out to Breakthrough, shout out to God, shout out to my host family. MTV, welcome to my crib. Just before I took everything out the box, but I did some grocery shopping just to get some stuff for lunch. I got some fruit snacks, which is the best thing ever, and sweet and salty kettle corn. This is the best kind. Well, I like these little like tuna things to put like in my salads. I get the lemon pepper kind. They're really good. I got apples, and then I got some chocolate chip Cliff Bars. For lunch for tomorrow, getting everything ready so I can lay down for the night, get everything ready for tomorrow. It was a great first day. I highly recommend Breakthrough. Like, it was literally my first day, and I'm super excited for this summer. Just being able to like teach kids and everything is about to be like the best thing ever. And like, I'm staying in this amazing home for free, and I'm getting paid to teach kids. Like, the best of both worlds. Like, Hey guys, so today is my end of day 3 in Houston, 2 at orientation. I just came home and took a shower because it's hot in Texas, y'all. I have like a bunch of work to do, like a bunch of homework. So I wanted to just chill and get that done. But yeah, today was a really cool day. We focused on like writing objectives and like purpose statements for our lesson plans and like tweaking them to make them like applicable to us and like our students. So that was really cool to learn. Here to give y'all a little OOT of the day. I have this little like cute plant shirt from Ross. I have these pants on, they're like high-waisted and they tie from H&M, I believe. And then I just have these brown sandals on. Our dress code for like a week is casual. The first day it was business casual. But I feel like I really look like a teacher today, especially with this bun and these glasses. But yeah, it's gonna be great day. Yes. Have a great day. What are you eating again?
Some good behind burger. It's from Papa's Barbecue. I don't even know what it's called. I just like it.
I have leftover tacos. It's supposed to be the best thing ever. I just got home from work and I need to get back in the swing of things and working out. I've been slacking. Oh Jesus. So I'm about to go work out. I think I'm gonna do some legs and some butt workouts and some ab workouts. Yes, and tomorrow we will do arms and back and some abs. Let's go. I've been needing some water for a minute. So I have like a lot of work to do, like a lot of lesson plans to go through, like a lesson plan to prepare for a practice teach tomorrow. So go take a little shower and get to working while you're not listening. So
just be careful, she has wings.
this is just a shout out to all the teachers, like the real life teachers in the world, not like the fake teachers like me. Y'all are superheroes because like our lesson plans are already made for us, so we just like tweak them and like add things or take away, but we just have to like practice teaching them. And I'm doing writing, so like the concepts is simple, but like I haven't like the way that it's like taught, like I just have to like know it and stuff. So like yeah, it's a lot, and I'm like definitely doing this anymore. But we're doing practice teachers tomorrow. Good morning. It's Friday. I survived the week in Houston. I'm sorry this vlog doesn't have like a lot of videos like from orientation, like footage and stuff, because I like couldn't be on my phone like we're like doing work and stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed it and watching me in my first week of moving to Houston. Today is college t-shirt day, so we repping the set. HU, you know, period. And there's like a lot of other teaching fellows that go to HBCUs, which makes me really, really happy. Yeah, so follow me today. Let's go. Bethania, can you tell the people what we're doing today?
Right now we're going into Fiesta, which is a grocery store in
Hispanic.
in Gulfton, yeah, Fiesta. And we're gonna take pictures of chicharrones, which are they're good. And then we're gonna find something cool, and then we're just gonna take a picture with it because we're gonna win this challenge.
Oh,
and that's
yes,
it.
period.
Yep, period.
8th ELA for the win. I am home finally. We got done, OMG, I'm trying to get my name tag off. We got out early today because it was Friday. So it's like 3:30. We got paid, it was payday. I'm about to, I'm tired. I'm about to like go grocery shopping and like pick up like washing powder and stuff, like different things I need. And I think I might like order pizza or something and just like stay in and watch movies because like I'm tired, like watch out. But yeah, this week, ooh, my earrings about to fall. This week was super fun. Breakthrough is going to be lit. Shout out to 8th grade ELA. We are the gang, and shout out to Fam 6, period. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed these vlogs. Well, this vlog, and you all got to see like my first week in Houston. It's gonna be a great time, So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.